Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Aqualair Sources. With the holiday season just around the corner, today's video is all about spreading joy and sharing information about Christmas assistance programs in Alabama. If you or someone you know is in need, or if you're looking to contribute and make a difference, stay tuned. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding what these Christmas assistance programs in Alabama are all about. In a nutshell, these programs are designed to bring holiday cheer to families facing financial difficulties. They provide various forms of assistance, from toys and food to clothing, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the festive season. Now, I know many of you are wondering, how can I get free Christmas toys in Alabama? It's simple. Families in need can apply for assistance through these programs. Once approved, they may receive toys for their children. The application process usually involves providing information about the family's financial situation to ensure the assistance reaches those who need it the most. Let's jump into the top 8 Christmas assistance programs in Alabama that are making a difference in the community. First up, we have the Salvation Army. They operate various programs, including the Angel Tree Initiative, connecting donors with families in need for personalized gifts. Toys for Tots, run by the U.S. Marine Corps Reserve, collects and distributes toys to children in need. Families can apply for assistance, ensuring kids receive age-appropriate and desirable gifts. The Make-A-Wish Foundation collaborates with local communities to fulfill the wishes of children facing critical illnesses, bringing joy to them and their families during the holiday season. In Jackson County, the holiday spirit is alive and well, thanks to local charities organizing Christmas assistance programs. These initiatives go beyond the traditional by supporting families in the community with food drives, toy distributions, and a variety of festive activities. Now, let's talk about organizations in Alabama that are committed to making a difference not just during the holiday season, but all year round. These programs extend a helping hand to families facing ongoing challenges, offering various forms of support. Next up, we have the United Way, playing a pivotal role in coordinating and supporting various community-based Christmas assistance programs across Alabama. Through strategic partnerships with local agencies, the United Way ensures that families receive the help they need, especially during the holidays. In North Alabama, there's an extraordinary initiative called Operation Believe. This community-driven program is dedicated to making the holiday season extra special for children. How? Through the generosity of community donations and the selflessness of volunteers. Last, but certainly not least, for families facing food insecurity during the holidays, there's a program called 12 Bushels Food Distribution in Alabama. This initiative ensures that families receive essential food items, guaranteeing a hearty and festive meal. And there you have it, a glimpse into the wonderful Christmas assistance programs right here in Alabama. These organizations, fueled by community support, are making a tremendous impact on families during the holidays and throughout the year. If you're feeling inspired, consider reaching out or contributing in any way you can. But it's not just about statewide programs. Each county in Alabama has its own set of Christmas assistance programs. Whether you're in Cleburne, Etowah, Jackson, Jefferson, Madison, Mobile, Morgan, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, or Walker County, there's support available for you. Now, when applying for these programs, it's essential to have the right documents. This may include proof of income, identification, and documentation of family size. Checking the specific requirements of each program ensures a smooth application process. Alabama Christmas assistance programs are making a real impact, ensuring that everyone can experience the magic of the holiday season. If you're in need, reach out to these programs, and if you're looking to give back, consider contributing to local charities. Together, we can make this holiday season special for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy holidays.